Ụtụtụ Ọma is good morning. Ụtụtụ Ọma is good morning. Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? How are you today? Biko is please. Daalụ is thank you. Ịbụ ezigbo nwa, you're good child. Hello, ndewo. I'm so happy to see you today again. My name is Auntie Mesoma. Can you say it with me? Auntie Mesoma. Okay, let's learn how to say good morning and thank you in Igbo language. In Igbo, we say Ụtụtụ Ọma to greet people in the morning. Can you say that? We use our right hand to wave. Let's wave. Wavy, wavy, wavy. Now, let's say Ụtụtụ Ọma 3 times. Ụtụtụ Ọma, Ụtụtụ Ọma, Ụtụtụ Ọma. Wow, good job. Now, let's sing it. If it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma. If it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma. If it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma. If it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma. Wow, you're so amazing. Good job. Where is mommy? And where is daddy? Where is uncle and auntie? Can you find mommy? Can you find daddy? Can you find uncle and auntie? Can you say good morning Ụtụtụ Ọma when you see them after you wake up from sleep? Great job. Now let's sing it. If it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma. Mommy, if it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma. Daddy, if it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma to auntie. If it's morning and you're happy, say Ụtụtụ Ọma to uncle. Great job. You're so amazing. Let's learn how to say please in Igbo. We say Biko. Can you say it? Biko. Oh, I'm thirsty. Biko nye m mmiri. Please give me water. Please give me water. Biko nye m mmiri. And when someone gives you something, you say Daalụ, thank you. Daalụ, 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 thank you. Biko means please. Daalụ means thank you. Use your right hand. Be polite to say Biko, 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 Biko. Please say Daalụ, 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 thank you. Biko, please, Daalụ, thank you. Biko, please, Daalụ, thank you. Be a kind nwa Igbo. Please means Biko. Daalụ means thank you. May I have some water? Biko nye m mmiri. I'm thirsty. When someone gives you something, you say Daalụ. When someone gives you something, you say Daalụ. Good job. In Igbo culture, we greet and take things with our right hands. That shows we are respectful and kind. Oh, should I pick the sauce and give it to mommy with my left hand? No, 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 no. Let's use the right hand. Yay, that's better. Let's use the right hand. This is the way we greet, hello, show respect. This is the way we greet, and show respect. We use our right hand, our right hand, our right hand. We use our right hand to show respect. This is the way we show respect, show respect, show respect. This is the way we show respect. We use our right hand. We use our right hand. Our right hand. We use our right hand. That's how we show respect. Good job, Ụmụ Igbo. Wow, you did so well today. Let's say goodbye. Come on, jingle with me. Oh, jingle ma. Oh, jingle ma. It's good morning. It's good morning. Biko is please. Is please. Daalụ is thank you. Is thank you. Kedu ka mere? How are you today? How are you today? We love you, Ụmụ Igbo. See you next time, and don't forget, use your right hand and be kind.